Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make bread crispy, updated. Preheat your oven or skillet, use a light brushing of oil, and finish with a quick high heat blast for perfect crust. I'll walk you through dough handling, moisture control, and timing so every loaf gets a golden, crackling exterior. These simple shifts make sandwiches, toast, and crusty loaves sing with texture and flavor. In this video, I will explain how to make bread crispy, updated. Choose a baking stone or steel, score the loaf, and add steam in the first minutes to build a blistered crust. I'll explain why surface temperature, dough hydration, and oven setup matter, and show quick swaps for home ovens. Follow these friendly tips and you'll get a bakery-style crunch without fancy gear, using predictable, easy steps anyone can follow. In this video, I will review how to make bread crispy, updated. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers that keep crusted bread fresh between bakes, and they're great for transporting sandwiches without mess. They stack, seal tight, and save time when you bake extra loaves. If you like this tip, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will help how to make bread crispy, updated. If your crust stays soft, check proofing time, oven heat, and toppings that lock in moisture. I'll cover fixes like a hotter finish, reducing bacon oils, and cooling strategies that keep crust crisp. These practical fixes help rescue loaves and refine technique so your next batch comes out with that satisfying crackle every time you bite into it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.